Namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Darshana. I am a yoga teacher and I teach yoga to beginners. On this channel you will find videos about yoga tutorials, healthy food and lifestyle. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with today's video. So today's video is about we are going to learn few fundamental asanas for your yoga practices. Okay. So before we actually start with the practice, I would like you to know certain prerequisites for the yoga practice. Before starting a yoga practice, make sure that you shouldn't have any heavy meals just before the practice. There should be at least 2 hours of gap between your yoga practice and the meals. Okay, you can have something light like a fruit or something. You should wear comfortable clothing, loose and comfortable clothing. The room should be well ventilated. Grab a mat because this is going to be a follow along video. You can just follow me with my instructions. Okay. So we will first start our session with the conditioning. I have already made a conditioning video. I will link that below in the description box. So today we are going to do conditioning in standing posture. We are going to stand with our feet together. Okay, spine erect, shoulders roll back, abdomen slightly tucked in. Okay, fold your hands and hold it in Namaste in front of you. You can gaze at a point in front of you and gently close your eyes and observe your breathing. Take few normal breaths. Sthita Prarthanasana. We are conditioning for this session.
This asana helps in correcting the postural defects. It calms your mind and relaxes the nerves. It improves your concentration as the mind remains aware.
Gently open your eyes. Take your hands down and relax. Take some distance between your legs. Now we'll move on to the warm-up exercises which are very important for any asana practice. Okay, we'll start with the neck movement. You can take your neck behind. Interlock your hands in front of you. Stretch it forward. Come back. Other side. Take it from inside and stretch it forward. Okay. Take your right hand to the left side and stretch it like this. Very good for your shoulder mobility. Other side. Very good. Now take your hands and just open your shoulder, open your arms, close, open, close, open. Okay. Now we'll move on to the hip exercise. Take a little more distance and hip rotations. 3 clockwise and 3 anti-clockwise. Very good. Now we'll raise our knee up and from knee I will make circles. I will show it from sideways. Other side. Relax. From left leg. Very good. Now, extend your toes and flex them. Extend, flex, extend, and flex. Other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Now, on your mat, walk on your toes. Do it for a few times. Now walk on your heels. Again, you can do it for a few more times. Now walk on the sides of your leg, of your feet, sorry. Walk from inner side of your feet like a penguin. It's a penguin walk. Okay, come back to center of your mat. So these were little Sukshma Vyayam we did. Okay, before starting any asana, conditioning and warm-up exercises or the Sukshma Vyayam are very important. Okay, so you should never miss that. Now, the first asana for the day we are going to learn is Talasana or Tadasana, a palm tree pose. It looks like in this asana our body looks like a palm tree, a tall palm tree. So that's why the name of the asana is Tadasana. So this asana basically gives a very good upward stretch to your spine. Okay, body posture. It helps in correcting the body posture. It helps in neuromuscular coordination because we are going to do some coordinated movement of our legs, feet and hands. So let's start with the asana. For this you have to take 1 foot distance. Take 1 foot distance like this, and feet should be parallel to each other. Your legs are active. Okay, pull your kneecaps up, activate your legs, abdomen slightly tucked inside, hands by your side, and you can focus at a point in front of you. And inhaling, on the count of 3, raise your hands up. Inhale, up, and simultaneously go on your toes. Hold for this position for a few seconds. And exhaling, turn your palms around and take your hands down and heels down. I will show you same asana from sideways. Take 1 foot distance, hands by your side. Spine straight, focus at a point in front of you. Inhale, hands up, simultaneously raise your heels up and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, turn your palm around and take it down. Okay. So very good asana for neuromuscular coordination. Because we are synchronizing our hand and feet movement. Very good for your extremities. Very good for your spine. This particular asana, Tarasana, should be done by everyone every day, at least 5 times. Okay, very simple one. Everyone can do it. Trikonasana. Take sufficient distance between your leg. Okay. First, feet are parallel to each other. Then, take your right leg to the right side. Body is in front. Okay. Now take your hand in T position and bend your upper body to the right side. Don't let your body fold forward. Keep it straight. Left knee turn. Other side. This is a lateral movement of your spine. Very good for body flexibility, very good for your extremities. Okay.
The next asana for today is Ek Padasana.
For that, you can either keep your leg just on your shin or above the knees. Okay. Never let your knee on the knees.
Keep it either above or below the knees and join your hands in Namaste and gaze at a point in front of you. Someone who is having severe arthritis, lower back pain, sciatica, slip disc should avoid doing this asana. Bring your leg down and repeat the same with opposite leg. Gradually increase the timing of remaining in the posture from few seconds to 1 minute with each leg. This asana helps in strengthening the muscles of legs and spine. It improves your body balance, endurance, and alertness.
Now we will do sitting asanas. For that, just cross your leg and without using your hand, sit down. Yes, and sit in Sukhasana. Okay. Sukhasana is crossing your leg and sitting. Ensure that there should be equal distance between your leg. Palms resting on your thighs. You can slide the skin of your hips behind and sit comfortably. Just catch your breath for a few seconds. If you're not comfortable sitting in Sukhasana directly on the floor, you can take a pillow below your hips and sit in Sukhasana. That will be more comfortable. And slowly, gradually, with practice, you can sit on the ground. The next asana we are going to learn is Parivritta Sukhasana. That is twisted, easy pose. For that, with your one hand, grab hold of your knee, opposite knee, and the other hand will go behind and twist your body and look behind. Come back to center. I will show you sideways. Let's do it other side.
You can be in this posture for a few seconds and come back.
The next asana is Baddha Konasana. Okay, so for that you have to make Namaste with your feet and take your feet as close as possible. Initially, your knees will not bend down. You can grab hold of your toes and sit straight.
You can either sit straight or flap your legs like a butterfly. This is also called as a butterfly pose. This is a very good hip opening asana. It ensures a very good blood supply, blood circulation to the internal organs.
You can also walk your hands in front and give a nice stretch to your spine. Keep looking in front.
This asana is also known to improve the flexibility of the lower extremities. You can do it anytime, even watching the TV. The last asana for today is Shavasana, the corpus pose. Lie down on your back, extend your arms by your side, extend your leg comfortably apart. Once in this position, close your eyes and remain motionless throughout the practice. Breathe rhythmically, subtly and slowly. Avoid any movement of the body. Mentally relax the 16 vital zones, marmasthana, of the body by paying attention to each part separately. Maintain this relaxed state for about 10 to 15 seconds.
Hope you have found this video helpful, and if yes, do like and share it with others, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. One thing I would like to mention here, yoga is not about perfection, it is about the practice. So keep practicing. Namaste and see you soon.